Now we get to talk about what's the main idea. So what you're going to get to do is you're going to get to look at pictures when you do this, and you're going to get to look at them and say, what's the main idea of that picture? Now the cool thing is your brain is going to have a super easy time with this because we've been talking about this all year, but with stories. So let's look at the few pictures, just us, and get you ready for whenever you look at the pictures. Now the first one we're going to look at is kind of silly, I'm going to warn you. So let's look at it here. Let me see if I can get it close to show you. Look at this one. It's of this girl right here, and she's blowing bubbles. Now, for that picture I just showed you, would you say, oh, the main idea is sunglasses? Because, let's look back at it together. She has on sunglasses. But is that the main idea? No, the whole picture is about bubbles. The title on this even says bubbles. So when we're looking for the main idea, I don't want you to pick something that's a detail. Now, if you looked at my board here and you said, oh, the main idea of Mrs. Stead's board is smiley face. Would that make sense? No, because it's about the main idea. I don't want details. I want to know what the whole thing is about overall. That's like I wouldn't come up to your picture in your storybook. I know Landon's storybook was about Spider-Man. So I wouldn't walk up to Landon's storybook and go, oh, buildings. Because is his book about buildings? No, his storybook was about Spider-Man. Let's look at another one together. I have another picture to show you. Look at that picture. Isn't that one pretty cool? We're going to look at this book a little bit later today. Now, let's look at the picture. There's a mouse, there's a motorcycle, and do you see over here there's a lamp? So, would I say that the main idea is about a lamp? Or would I say that the main idea was probably going to be about this mouse and the motorcycle? You got it. The main idea would be about the mouse and the motorcycle. Let's look at the title of the book. The Mouse and the Motorcycle. So when you're choosing the main idea, look at the whole picture, see what's in the picture, and say, what's that picture really about?